Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create something like this. Yeah, so let's get into the video. This is my array here. The array has length 100. Look at the output, it's 100 here. So now, to create something like that, we're going to create a use stage. Use stage. Let's do the use stage visible. So visible, stage, visible. Set visible. Then you give it use stage, in use stage 25. The meaning of this 25 in the use stage here means that on our initial loading it's going to show 25 items. Showing these 25 items, then anytime we click on a button, this visible will increase. Then on increasing, it's going to show more items. Then let's go again. Let's create a new. These will be items per load. The items per load, let's give it 25. This item per load is the amount of items that is going to load when we click on the button. So let's create a button. The button, yeah, this button load well. Yeah, this button here is going to be the button we are going to click on. After showing the first 25 elements, then there will be a button after this 25. Then that button is going to be showing you somewhere around here. Then after showing somewhere around, when we click on it, it's going to increase the items. So when we click on the button, it's going to increase the item. So now let's give it a conditional statement. Let's give this button a conditional statement saying that anytime there's an item to load, let the button to be present, and anytime there's no item, let the button to be absent. So visible is less than array equivalent 100. The array of length 100 means that anytime visible, the use state 25 is equal to 100, let the button to disappear, and anytime is less than 100, let the button to appear. So come back here. Of array items dot length into it and so remove this. Yeah, give it. So now, as I've said, anytime the visible, which is 25 here, is equals to 100, then let this button to disappear, and anytime the visible is less than 100, let the button appear. So in this place, we're going to create an on-click function for the button, so that anytime we click on the button, it's going to load more items. So let's give it load more items. Yeah, so create the function here. This function is going to help us to load more items to the visible here. The function we are going to create is loading more items to the visible here. So load more items, then set visible. Let's give it a power, an arrow function, power plus items per load. So now this function here, the function is not correct. This function here is going to set this visible here. It's going to increase its per the load here, and the per load is 25. So anytime we click on this load row, it's going to increase the visible here to 25 more items. That's 25 plus 25, that's 50 items. So coming to this place, save it. But now you'll notice that our items here is still 100. Why? Because we've not cut our items down. Then to cut it, use slice. Upon a slice. The slice method contains two parameters, which is 0 and comma, which is 0, and that the 0 means the starting point, and the last parameter means where you want to cut it to. So I want to cut it to 25. I want to just show only 25 on our screen. So coming to this place, you write visible. So save it. Oh, we don't put it out here. Yeah. So now we have on our screen here just 25 items. The 25 items that is loading. 25 items is loading. Look, the delay is done. Yeah, 25 items is loading, then it's showing a button load more. So on click on this button, it will load 50 more items, 25 more items, which is 50. Then on clicking on loading again, it's going to show 25 more items, which is 75. And on clicking on loading again, it's going to show 100 items. Now there's no more button again. The button, that means the visible now is already the same length with the array item length, which is 100. So the button has disappeared. So thank you for watching this video. If this video was helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.